Do you hear that? My grills. They're calling me. I must go, and I must cook.
Regulators. We regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good, too. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be handy with the steel, if you know what I mean. Earn your keep.
Regulators! Mount up!
Okay, so we have our country style ribs here, and we're going to be putting on a dry rub from Kosmos Q. We're going to be using his sweet honey pecan. Let me tell you, if you guys could smell this right now, I mean, it's like you almost want to take a spoonful and just eat it straight up. But what we're going to do is we're just going to lightly dust these like so. And we'll probably let these sit for a good hour and let that rub soak into the meat. We'll get these all seasoned up here. Man, this stuff, I'm telling you, it smells so good. Oh, I think this will be really good on this country style rib. So like I said, we'll let these sit and absorb into the meat for a good hour, and then we'll get them on the grill. Kosmos Q's sweet honey pecan. So while we're waiting around for the grills to heat up, I wanted to show you a product I received. About a month ago, another YouTuber that goes by Meathead reached 2,500 subscribers, and he did a giveaway. And what's neat about Meathead, it wasn't just one person that won. There was actually 8 people who received product in his giveaway, and I was one of the fortunate ones that won a deluxe grill set, and I'm going to show you that now because it's actually really, really nice. So let's take a look at this. So here is the deluxe grill tool kit I received. It's got a really nice little grill heat aid label, premium quality. Let's open it up. Look at there. Goes with the nice looking little brochure piece. Very cool. It's got a nice big stainless steel spatula. Got herself a good set of tongs. Got a grill brush. You've got a knife. Some forks, some grip stuff, brush, and a bunch of skewers. Oh my. Yeah, look at that. Oh, what a nice little kit. Very, very nice. Let's take this out. All velcroed in here. Yep, they work. Very nice. Nice weight to them too. Nice. Can't wait to use this. Thank you, Meathead. Really appreciate this. This will be nice to have. What's neat is he's going to do another one at 5,000, and it will be a multiple winner too. You should go check it out. I'll have an iCard in the description to his site, his YouTube channel. He makes some killer knives too. I want one so bad. But anyway, this is the deluxe barbecue toolkit. Okay, the grill's up to temp here. So what we're going to do is we got the slow and sear in there. We're just going to add some water in here. Causing too much of a headache. This should help regulate the temp and add a little bit of moisture back in. Then we're going to come in, oil up this side of the grill. This side we're going to put the meat. We're going to cook it indirect for a half hour. We'll check the temp and decide if we're going to continue on. I'll probably flip them over, let them go a little bit longer. We want to hit about 180, 185, and then we're going to put some sauce on it and maybe sear them on the direct side. So, with that said, move over. Test the tongs out. Yep, still working. Now we're just going to take them. Lay them on. We'll let them go for a half hour, then we'll come and temp them, see where they're at, and see what we need to do. There we go. See them in a half hour. Okay, our country ribs have been on for about 45 minutes. Let's have a look and see what they're looking like. Looking really, really good. Man. Wow. Let's have a quick little temp here. So we're running about 150 on that in the meat. Let's see what this is. About 150, 55. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and flip them over. Nice little coloring to them. And we're going to let them just sit in here for another 15 minutes or so, and then we'll figure out what we're going to do next. Okay, so our country style ribs are up to internal temp that we want. So now we're going to start saucing them. And we're going to sauce them a little different way. We're actually going to be using our fan favorite Rshackbbq sauce. So we're going to take this. Try not to make a mess here. Now I've shaken it up. I'm just going to pour it in here, like so. Get it down in there. A little taste. So good. All right. So now the next step is this. Just going to take our rib, like so. Lay it down in here. I'm going to roll it around and get that sauce on the whole thing. Excuse me. Drip on it there. Set it back on the grill. Do the next one. Get all sides of it. Perfectly soft. Okay, so now we just got it over the hot coals. We're going to get a little sear on each side, and then we're going to pull them off and tear into them. See how good they're looking. All right, Quincy. Here's our finished country style pork ribs. Let's cut into these, see what they look like. Just take this one right here. Alright, looks so good. Let's taste it. Alright, let's try this pork rib. Oh wow. That barbecue sauce is amazing. Perfectly cooked. Oh. A little bit of a hint of a smoke flavor because I was using that lump charcoal. Oh, these are so good. Oh, you gotta try this. Wow, been waiting. It's so good. Happy birthday to me.